Jeremy Darnell, shop foreman at Zwaag Customs. We build customs all the way from the ground up. If it's on a truck, we'll do it. Yeah, we like thinking outside the box, trying to do stuff a little bit different. Do a lot of customer trucks. If they, depending on what, we try to build trucks to their taste. Right. And if they've got a dream, we can usually make it happen. This one's a 95. It actually come out of Texas, or it was basically a pile of parts when we bought it. It was just the frame and the cab. And the cab was an empty shell, so we actually bought another rolled over truck just for the interior and stuff. And I mean, it's basically a ground up build. We do our own custom air ride, or our own air ride, try and give it a nice little ride. Went through a couple of different models before we found the one that was right. The interior's actually swapped out of a 07. It's all painted up, nice painted floor, custom dash with all custom gauges from NT lights. Everything's in-house. It's all paint. We don't like stickers, except for the names on the truck. Otherwise, we try to keep it all paint. Say Zwaag Customs out of Hull, Iowa. We're on Facebook, Instagram, VDZ.com. Check us out. Like I said, a lot of the stuff we custom make. We got a local machinist we work a lot with. He's a huge help. And some parts that we can't get, sometimes he can get by and just make them for us. So some parts have been a struggle, but we've always made do. And stuff, the mirror brackets are our own. We designed them and made them. They're a little bit wider than the factory ones. They get rid of a lot of the shakes. This is our rolling billboard for now, and every couple of years we'll swap it out with another one a little bit better. The truck actually goes to the West Coast every week. And we put it to work, and we work it hard.